Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about how to get your channel monetized quick, and I want to show you how I got my channel monetized in 7 days. Wow, the truth is I started YouTube back in 2020 during the lockdown, and it wasn't easy though. I started with 2 channels. Today I have 3 channels. 2 are monetized and the third one is about to be monetized. Now I want to show you some tips what I did, and I got my channel monetized in 7 days. I used the same strategy and the second one was also monetized. Now remember, YouTube, before you get monetized on YouTube, remember you need to have 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers. These days that they actually added short videos, you need about 10 million views on short videos, and you still need 1,000 subscribers. Now what I want to let you know is that getting your channel monetized quick is very easy. The only thing you need is time. Yes, time is very important if you really want to get your channel monetized. Now these are the things I'm going to give you step by step what I did. If you can follow these steps, believe it, within a short period of time you are going to comment that wow, I am monetized, I've gotten my channel monetized. I just followed what you said. Please, I have gotten over 40 channels monetized. These are channels that contacted me and I have to work with them, and their channels are all monetized. So it's just very simple, something you can do by yourself. You can get your channel monetized quickly. Now what I did that, number one, I make sure that I constantly upload videos. Okay, I constantly upload videos. And what do? Any video I want to upload, I will go to YouTube, I will search that same video, I will now scroll down, I will now pick similar videos with highest views. You see some videos 5 million views, some videos 2 million views, 3 million views, some 200,000. Now what I might do, I maybe pick a video with 500,000 views above the video with 2 million views. You know why? Sometimes you see a video with 2 million views, but that has been, they uploaded that video since 2-3 years ago. Then you see a video with 500,000 views and it's been uploaded 2 months ago. You see the time frame. This one is 2 months, 500,000. This one is 2 million 3 years ago. So I will definitely go for 500,000 views in 2 months. What I might do is I will play around that topic. The title, I will look how the person will manage to write the title that attracted people. Then I will not check the thumbnails. Now I'm going to give you a secret about thumbnails that people don't know. There are so many videos on YouTube. There are billions of videos on YouTube. So what you need to do is, as people are scrolling down their YouTube, their apps, you know, they are passing so many videos. Something needs to push them to stop. Let me click on this video. Which is your video? So what you normally do is, number one, let me talk about Canvas. If you want to use Canvas, if you have any other app that you use to design your YouTube thumbnails, what you need to do is use sharp colors. I started with using sharp colors. I was doing normal YouTube thumbnails, but it wasn't working for me. But immediately I started using yellow, I started using green, I started using blue and orange color. Something different happened. My channel started getting views. You know what? Go to YouTube channel, open YouTube videos, you will see that so many colors, millions of videos use black, white colors, you know. But when you have the yellow, you have green, you have blue, you have orange color, you will see that that particular thumbnail stands out. People can see it. It always spark into people's eye. Definitely they might see like 10 videos, but that's your own video, that's your own thumbnail. What will attract them to read what your title. Before you know it, people start clicking on the video. That's number one. Then number two, I make sure I upload videos every day because it's a new channel. I want to get monetized quick. I started uploading videos every day. And then after your first 7 days or first 10 days on YouTube, this is what you need to do. Go to your YouTube videos, check analysis, check the time your viewers are always online. YouTube will give you all this information. Check the times your viewers are always online. Try to upload videos around this time. Now I'm going to give you the main thing that got me monetized. These are the main things that got me monetized. One of my videos started getting views. I was like, okay, fine. I'm happy to see that this video is actually getting views, maybe about 200 views, 300 views per day. What I did immediately was to follow that particular video that is doing well among all my videos. I started immediately started sharing these videos. I started sharing into other social media networks. Now let me tell you a little secret about YouTube. If you share your videos outside YouTube, then you share your videos on Facebook, you share videos on Instagram, or you share videos on forums, Pinterest, or WhatsApp, or share it with friends. When people start watching this video outside YouTube, or people start coming to YouTube from these social medias, YouTube will definitely pay you back. YouTube will definitely tell you thank you for bringing outsiders into YouTube. They will do what? They will push your video more to more people. So when I saw my videos was getting views, I definitely stopped going to YouTube. I focused on sharing that videos on other platforms, and the video started getting 1,000, 2,000 views. Sometimes when I stop sharing, the video will go down to like 700. If I just share to like 5 people, help me and watch this video, this is my content, immediately they watch and they reply to me and they watch. When I go back to my YouTube, I report that the video is now showing about almost 2,000 views. It will start showing it more to more people. So the more you share your videos outside YouTube, the more YouTube will share your videos to many more people. Then another thing again is comments. Okay, another thing again is comment. I started replying to every comment. No, YouTube have to go with engagement, likes and comments. When people comment on your video, when people like your video, YouTube will definitely suggest your video for more people to watch. Okay, so when I upload a video, the first thing I do is I will personally comment on that video, and I normally comment using a question. Let's say I do, like one of my videos that I actually did was why do lions not attack when you are on a safari vehicle? Okay, now this particular video is the highest video on my channel that I've gotten views. Now I asked that question: if you are the one, what will you do? So as people are watching, they saw my comment. What they normally do is they want to reply to my question. So I'm using a strategy to make people to answer my questions or ask questions. And whenever someone watch or comment on my video, I'll make sure that I reply that comment. And sometimes I will reply your comment with question, asking a question. Once you see my comment and also asking another question, the person comes back to reply to that question. In that way, I'm getting almost 3 to 4 comments just with one person. So make sure you do this. Believe it, I did this in 7 days. We video that started from 1,000 views per day. In 7 days, I got 88,000 views. I started getting 88,000 views in the past 48 hours. And within the 8 days, my channel was monetized. I got the 1,000 subscribers. I got even up to 3,200 subscribers. And I also got over 6,000 watch hour. And then I applied for YouTube, and YouTube definitely monetized my channel. So these are what I did. Remember, what I said, use a very good thumbnail, use colors like green, yellow, orange, and blue. Then share your videos outside YouTube. Make them to bring people to YouTube. And definitely, the last one, try to comment, try to like the comment, try to comment back, try to ask a question that to interact with your viewers even on that YouTube comment. It helps you to really grow your YouTube channel. So these are things I did, and I got my channel monetized in 7 days when the channel started getting 1,000 views. Then I tried the same method on my second channel. Of course, I got also monetized in 10 days. One of my videos started doing work. I did the same thing in 10 days. I got monetized. So once again, please subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next